Yo, what up, guys? Josh Diaz here with a unboxing and setup of the ta-da, the AirPods Max from Apple. These will run you 550, 499. I don't even know. They're the high-end headphones. So we got the regular AirPods, we got the AirPod Pros, and now we have the AirPod Maxes or AirPod Max, whatever. So this is just gonna be an unboxing and setup. If you guys want to see more, I will do like a audio test and all that jazz. But this is just an experience to see if you guys do pick one up, what it will be like to unbox one of these. So let me just show you the box first. Sorry, I did get the space gray. You know, I always this just black's one of my favorite color. So got the space grays here. Nothing on the bottom. On the back, we have the controversial little case that it comes with. AirPod Max with the smart case. So let's get right to it. Enough talking. Get that plastic out of here. Get this out of here. Hey, okay. Here we go. Very excited for this. Wow, there we go. Just very excited, not just to use it on my phone, but just for the Apple TV also. You can connect it to the Apple TV and use it to watch your movies and all that. And wow, okay. So it does have some weight, which is good. This because you're paying a premium price, so you don't want nothing flimsy. Take this off. Take this plastic wrap off. Okay. Be gone. All right. In the box, this is Lightning to USB-C, I'm assuming, because that's what they do now. Yep. Another Lightning to USB-C cable added to my collection. And paperwork. All right, let's get this box out of here. Just put this, because I kind of want to protect this. This was expensive. All right, so take it out this protective case, and here we are. So it is cold to the touch. Got the aluminum. I'll get these out of here. So here it is. Got the ear cups here. Got the headband on this side. And here, cameraman, can we focus? Thank you. We do have the digital crown, which is similar to, not even similar. I think it is just like on the Apple Watch. It's just like it. And here we have a button here. This is to cycle through the noise cancellation modes. And on the bottom, we have, oh, it's lighting up. Look, I gotta get my phone to pair it. The bottom here, we have the Lightning cable slot to charge. And then if you look on the side, you just see all the microphones around it. And the ear cups. And to tell what's right and left, they kind of stitched it on. You see R, you see L, just so you could see it. So let me get my iPhone so we could pair this thing up. All right, so should just bring it close and it should start up right away. Let's see if this works. Real time. Do I have to press a button? There we go. Not my AirPod Max. Let's connect. Press and hold the control button. Okay, I'm doing that. Connecting. Boom, boom. It's weird that it said it wasn't mine. It should, no, it should just. All right, let's put these down. Okay, just so you guys can see. Press the digital crown once to play pause, twice to skip forward, and it, okay. Control center, press, oh yeah, okay. Let's skip all this. Yes, an ounce calls. 65% battery, not bad. And done. And we are rocking. And if you slide down here, it should show up. There we go. Josh's AirPod Max. They're not connected probably because I don't have them on my head. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. That was the setup. As with all Apple headphones, the setup was seamless. To adjust, I think, yeah, you could adjust on this side. Both sides are able to adjust to your liking. But yeah, I'm gonna check this out, guys. If you want a review and some other impressions, let me know. Has been out for a year now. I think the year anniversary was in December, so it's been out a year, and I'm excited to try this out. So guys, I'll check you later. Peace.